there, my name's Tess from Fashion Design Central, and in this video I'm going to show you some tips and tricks for using our textile print swatches that are part of our Mega Bundle download on our website. The Mega Bundle includes over 500 useful assets, brushes, and tools for fashion designers using Adobe Illustrator, and these 100 textile print swatches are included in that bundle. All of the swatches in this bundle are fully customizable, so you can adjust them for your design in regards to scale, placement, color, anything that you wish. So there's lots of variety in this package, and a lot of the classic prints that you'll be looking for are in here, along with some more creative prints. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to use this jumpsuit design to show you how to apply the prints to your work. So I'm going to start with a simple floral design here. I'm going to copy this swatch and paste it into my design file. Once I've pasted it in, it'll automatically appear in my swatch panel, so I can delete it from my artboard. Now I want to select the area I want to fill in with this pattern, and once I select it, I want to make sure that the fill is in the front, not the swatch. So I've got my fill in the front. Now in my swatch panel, I can select my print. Now, if I want to change the scale of this print to be either bigger or smaller, I can select the fill again and go over to the scale tool at the side, double click. In here, you want to make sure everything is unchecked except for transform patterns. Then using the percentage tool, you can either increase or decrease the percentage to scale the print up or down. So here I've scaled it down 50%, or let's scale it up 150%. For a large print. So let's keep it at 50 for this video. I'm going to hit OK. Great. So now if I wanted to change the colors of the print, I can do so by going into the swatch panel, double clicking on the print. That will open the swatch editor. I can zoom in here. I have full control over all elements of the print. This one is highly detailed, so it would be very difficult to go through and change the colors within the flowers here, but I'll show you a shortcut to apply color changes to the full design. If I wanted to simply change the background color here, I can do so easily by just selecting a new color from the side panel here after I select the background beige color. But for this print, let's highlight everything and go into Edit, Edit Colors, Recolor Artwork. In here, this is a great shortcut for trying to find a new color scheme that might work for the design without having to edit every single element separately. This is great if you're just trying to get an idea for a general color scheme for your collection, and these are obviously not your final fabrics, but this is a great way to adjust the color scheme, get some ideas flowing without having to edit every single detail separately. If I hit done, that will apply to my design. Some swatches are much easier to adjust and change than others. So looking here for a simpler example, let's use this one. I'm going to copy this swatch, paste it in here, delete it, select my garment, and select it from the swatch panel. Looks great. Let's double click on this swatch in the swatch panel, zoom in, and here's a great example of how in a simpler print you can change colors quite easily within your design. Hit done, it will automatically apply. If I want to change something about the print itself, I can also do that right in the swatch editor. Zoom in. Let's say I don't want this shape in my print, I want to move this over, and I want to flip this upside down. Hit done. It's as easy as that. So all of the swatches in this textile print bundle can be edited limitlessly. Choose any color, any scale, any orientation, move the elements around, even copy and paste elements from one print into another. The options are really limitless. If you have any questions about the swatch bundle or require any assistance, please feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help, and happy designing!